Hiya, so this is day 3 of my Go Live challenge. So I thought I would talk to you a little bit today, a briefer one. I talked about healing and the energy work that I do. So today I thought I would just briefly tell you about the circles and workshops that I do, because this Wednesday, the 10th, I believe it is, of July is the next Psychic Development Circle group. So in that one, I am teaching and sharing all of the techniques, resources, and methods that I've learned over the years to develop that ability to use that energetic connection, that ability to connect in, to listen to read, that energetic, that subtle field. What this does is it enables us to do the kind of healing work that I do, but it's also the same resource that is used for maybe more medium work or more clairvoyant work, when we are looking at reading signs and signals, whether that's through tarot decks, rune cards, or whether we're walking out in nature and seeing the symbols around us when we have an intent and we're asking questions. So it's diving into, it's a very big pool, so it's diving into those waters, really. It's not a focus down any one particular line, but it is all the tools and techniques that I've been gathering since I started my journey investigating and looking deeper into these slightly more esoteric, mystical, spiritual sides of life. I was in my early teens, so we're talking about 40 years worth of gathered knowledge, insight, experience, wisdom, if you like, that I share with people who gather with me, and we get to share our skills and develop what we do. So that's the Psychic Development Group. It runs once a month, on the Wednesday nearest the new moon, although that would have been last week, but we're doing that this week. And then on the other end of the moon cycle at full moon, I run a shamanic journeying circle group, teaching the benefits and attributes of using the slightly more shamanic tool of accessing that, well, I suppose it's a trance-like state where we can enter the other realms to gather knowledge, understanding and insight, and how we can use that as a tool for healing, or how we can use that as a tool for our own personal development, of self-awareness, I suppose would be the word I would use. And then on the following Wednesday, after that's a Tuesday of the full moon, and on the Wednesday I do a drum circle. So that is a shamanic drum circle. And on the Monday of that week I run an art and craft circle for anyone who wants to come and enjoy creative energies together. So that's it, basically. Short one today, all about the various circles that I run on a regular basis. There's room for more. None of these are online at the moment. They are all face-to-face here in my home in Somerset. If you're interested, then you can either register your interest on my website at www.louisa-shawnee, that's Louisa shawnee.com. Dates for the diary is where you will find that, or leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Obviously there are workshops and things I do as well, but that's a separate conversation. I don't think there was anything else I wanted to say. So, ciao for now.